In this video, I'll detail how to fix AirPods Pro 2 won't reset. So if you have an AirPods Pro 2 and you are trying to reset the AirPods Pro 2 so that you can connect the AirPods Pro 2 to another device, or you want to do a factory reset on the AirPods Pro 2 to disconnect or remove it from your iCloud account, then this video is going to walk you through step by step on how you can easily reset your AirPods Pro 2 or what you should do if your AirPods Pro 2 won't reset. So if I don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you are trying to reset your AirPods Pro 2 but it won't, is go ahead, take your iPhone. You can see the AirPods Pro 2 is connected to my iPhone. Then go to your iPhone settings. Then you should see the name of your AirPods Pro 2. Then scroll down and click on Bluetooth. Under Bluetooth, you're going to see your AirPods Pro connected to your Bluetooth. Click on the information icon. Like this, you're going to see every information you want to see about your AirPods Pro. Then at the bottom, tap Forget this device. And if your AirPods Pro 2 is not connected to your iPhone, you can just click on the information icon as well. Then tap Forget this device. Tap Forget device. Then click on Forget device. This is going to remove the AirPods Pro from your iCloud account across all the devices that you are connected to your Apple account. Then go ahead, turn off Bluetooth. Then that's going to disable Bluetooth on your iPhone. Then the next one to do here is this. Go ahead and take your AirPods Pro 2, close the lid. Once you close the lid, you're going to see the amber light. Then rotate the AirPods Pro 2, open the lid. Press and hold the reset button for like 2 seconds. Then once you hear a beep, you can just rotate the AirPods Pro 2 back. Then you're going to see the amber light change from cyan to green. So just watching. And once the AirPods Pro 2 reset is completed, the amber light is going to stay active. And that's why you say this. You see the amber light is still active. Then hang on until the amber light goes off. And once the amber light goes off, this is going to fix the AirPods Pro 2 on reset, and it will reset your AirPods Pro 2 successfully. To confirm this, that your AirPods Pro 2 is reset successfully, try to pair the AirPods Pro 2 to your iPhone or Samsung. Go to iPhone settings and turn on Bluetooth. Now once your Bluetooth is enabled, go ahead and open the AirPods Pro 2 lid. Once you hear it, you're going to see a feature that says connect your AirPods Pro 2 to your iPhone. And after this, you can just go ahead and click on the connect button like this. Then turn to the back of the casing, press and hold the reset button for like 2 seconds. Then once you hear a beep, rotate it until you see connecting. Then once it's connected, you're going to see your AirPods Pro 2 connected to your iPhone. Then just go ahead and click on continue. So that's all you need to do to fix AirPods Pro 2 on reset, or you can easily reset your AirPods Pro 2. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.